what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. These were the famous lines once said by John F. Kennedy. But they will still stand tall for generations to come. RIMC, RMS, and Sainik schools are some of the finest defense establishments which offer courses, which offer careers in defense courses for students at a very tender age. So today in this video, I bring to you a glimpse of the interview which you will be preparing for RIMC and RMS examinations. For this very important video session today, I have with me Mr. Sabyasachi Gondane, which is also preparing for the same examination and has also written his RIMC exams. So today's interview will be very important for all those students out there who are preparing for the interview sessions, especially after writing your written exams. This mock interview will not only help you to understand some intricacies and some fine points on how an interview should be conducted. So here we go.
So good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sabyasachi. So tell me something about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Sabyasachi Gondane. I am from class 7 and my school name is Bhavan BP Vidya Mandir, Nagpur, in the state of Maharashtra. And my hobbies are playing cricket, swimming and painting. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you come from Nagpur,
Yes, ma'am.
the city of oranges.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me something about your city?
Yes, ma'am. Nagpur is the city of oranges and the tiger capital of India. The founder of Nagpur was Bakht Buland Shah, a Gond Raja, and the 7th Command of Air Force is located in Nagpur. And the tourist attractions of our city is Diksha Bhumi, Zero Milestone, and Akshardham Temple.
Okay, and what are your hobbies you said?
My hobbies are playing cricket, swimming, and painting.
Okay, so who's your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is former captain of India, MS Dhoni.
Oh, I see. And why is he your favorite cricketer?
He is my favorite cricketer because he is very cool in the serious moments of the matches and also confident and disciplined about his team, and that's why.
Okay. And you also have a lot of interest in painting.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so can you name me a few of the finest painters of the world?
The finest painters of the world are Picasso, Vincent van Gogh and Leonardo DiCaprio.
Okay, and can you also tell me some of their finest creations?
Yes, Picasso is famous for goat painting which he created in 30 seconds, and Leonardo da Vinci is famous for Mona Lisa. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And with interest in two sports, you said cricket and swimming.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you played at any levels?
No, ma'am, I didn't play at any levels because I was preparing for my school and RIMC exam, which is a prestigious exam, that's why.
Okay. So is this the first time that you've written your RMC exams?
No, ma'am, I'm experienced with my first attempt and this is my second attempt.
Oh, I see. So what went wrong in the first attempt?
Ma'am, in my first attempt I was a bit nervous and scared because many students were writing their exams fine and confident about themselves, and about the center, this was first time I visited a center for a national level exam, that's why.
Okay. So Sabyasachi, can you tell me what inspires you to join the Indian Defence Forces?
Indian Defence Forces is my dream destination because I'm patriotic and brave, and I want to serve my motherland and also protect my nation by the enemies. Yes, ma'am.
Was there anybody in person who inspires you to join the Defence Forces?
Yes, ma'am. Captain Vikram Batra, who is known as the hero of Kargil War, is my inspiration to join Defence Forces.
And which defence force will you like to join and why?
Ma'am, I want to join the service of army because it's my personal likings, and Captain Vikram Batra was also from army, and army is my likings, personal likings.
Okay. And Why do you think RIMC should select you, or for that matter, any military school should select you?
You should select me because I can prove myself. If you give me an opportunity, I'll be disciplined and confident and be united from the other candidates who have qualified the exam.
Okay. Can you tell me a few of the awards that are bestowed to defense personnel in the defense category?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
name them for me?
Yes, ma'am. The Highest Gallantry Award, Paramveer Chakra, then Shaurya Chakra, then Veer Chakra, yes, ma'am. Then Kriti Chakra and Shaurya Chakra and Veer Chakra, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And can you name few recipients of the highest gallantry award PVC for me?
Yes, ma'am. The first recipient of Paramveer Chakra was Major Somnath Sharma, and Captain Vikram Batra was also honored with Paramveer Chakra after the Kargil War.
Okay, very nice. So, because your dream destination, you say, is joining Indian Army.
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you tell me some of the best or some of the remarkable or benchmark wars that has been fought by the Indian Army?
Yes, ma'am. The first Indo-Pak War, which was in 1947, then second Indo-Pak War, then third Indo-Pak War, and Kargil War. Kargil War in 1999.
Okay, good. That is very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the rank of the insignia of the Indian Army?
Yes, ma'am. The first rank which an army man gets is lieutenant, then captain, then major, then lieutenant colonel, then brigadier, then major general, then lieutenant general, and then general.
Okay.
General is the highest rank.
Oh, nice. And who is the current chief of the Indian Army?
The current chief of Indian Army is General Shri Manoj Mukund Naravani.
Alright. And when is the Army Day celebrated?
Army Day is celebrated on 15th Jan.
Okay, Sabyasachi, so can you tell me something about your family background?
Yes, ma'am. My family background is my father is an PRIP, which is Public Relation Inspector. My grandfather was also an
Where?
at
Where is he posted?
he works with Indian Post, and my grandfather was also an retired postmaster.
Even he worked with the Indian Post.
Yes.
Okay.
My grandmother and my mother are both homemakers, and I have a sister who is an UPSC aspirant.
Okay. And who is your idol?
Ma'am, in the field of
In general, whom do you idolize?
my idol is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Captain Vikram Batra.
Okay. Sabyasachi, can you tell me something about your strengths and weaknesses?
Yes, ma'am. My strengths are that I'm good at studies, and I can help people who need help. And my weaknesses are I'm emotional sometimes. I'm emotional. My weakness.
Okay. Can you tell me some 5 qualities which is a prerequisite for a soldier?
Yes, ma'am. 5 qualities in soldier must be confidence, bravery, then valor, then
Valor.
Yes, ma'am. Valor, then passion, and then unity.
What about discipline?
Yes, ma'am. Discipline.
Do you think discipline is also important?
Yes, ma'am. Discipline is also an important quality in a soldier.
Okay. So that was all for the interview. Sabyasachi, I wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was a fine interview, and I hope you reach your dream destination and serve the country to your fullest.
Thank you, ma'am.
So here you see everybody. Sabyasachi, of course, you tried your best. You seem confident, Sabya. and quite an impressive interview. Again, as far as knowledge was concerned, the body language was concerned. So children, I would like to tell you that interviews are not just mere test of your knowledge or intelligence, but it also checks your personality, your character as a whole. So I believe some of the finest points that you must keep in mind are self-confidence. You must be very confident while you are attempting your interview. Then, some basic things like eye contact, your body language, all these things really matter. For that matter, all the non-verbal communication are very important as far as interviews are concerned. If there is a situation in your interview wherein you are not able to answer any of the questions that has been asked to you, it's okay to tell them that, sir or ma'am, this is out of my scope of knowledge. It's okay not to answer all the questions, but one of the most important things is you must be loyal and you must be truthful to whatever has happened. It might not be very pleasing, but it's okay. One of the most important qualities, I believe, is loyalty. So yes, here's wishing you all the very best from New Defence Academy, and I wish all the aspirants, all the defence career aspirants, all the very best for all your future endeavours. Thank you so much.